Hello guys, welcome to new video. So in this video I'm going to share with you my own project. This is my own HTML project. I just build off the inspire with others template. So this is my template, okay? So this is very beautiful. So I'll just show you how to set up code with prettier. So let's go to dive into the VS code, then I will explain everything. So this is my HTML template code, and go to folder. This is the JS file and CSS file. So simply click this index.html and click this enter. Then it will be automatically converted with this prettier extension from here. Go to extension, then install prettier, then simply use this code. I already uploaded on the others video in my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel, then find out my last updated video. Okay, videos. Then here is the video how to VS code and how to install VS code and put here. I just make a mistake, silly mistake on this thumbnail. So here is this how to install and configure prettier in VS code for seamless code formatting. So it's very easy. So click this here. In my description below is few code, guys. I just sharing this lots of premium template and for premium code and premium video. So if you like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm just telling to you honestly, and if you like my video and my YouTube channel, then obviously subscribe my channel. So here is this code, okay? This is the base code formatter. I just making this code for my own customization. So this is my customization code. So go to setting, then find edit setting.json. I already uploaded on these topics in on a video in my YouTube channel. So check out it, and every single of code you can just uh, modify your VS code, okay? So guys, this is my template, and I just build the inspire of Ryzen. So thank you for this, guys, and this is very amazing, and coding structure is very awesome. You just check this code structure and everything you can find easily, and it's very amazing and professional template, I think. And you just find it every single of page, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 pages, including the mm, three variation, okay? So check out my website from here, okay? So we just check this, and this is the software coolers, and here is our variation one. Then check this variation one, then check variation two. This is the check variation 2, okay? It's very amazing. You can check, you can change anything. I'm now Malaysia, so this is my address. So guys, if you like this template, you can buy me a cup of coffee, okay? Check out it. Buy me a cup of coffee. This is my shop, and you just purchase from this here, this code, okay? And if you like my code, then obviously purchase from here. So it's depend on up to you. So if you like obviously my project, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming next tutorial and the next video. So I'll show you how to develop, how to design this template, okay, in the next upcoming video, like between of this here, okay? Check out it, like this part, part 1. Here is the HTML and CSS JavaScript tutorial with live project part 1. It will be part 2. And I think this is the very long term video, maybe 4 or 5 hour video will have coming soon. But it's depend on up to you. And if you like this video, then I will make video for your. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.